1970 GTO Judge Ram Air 4 convertible automatic transmission.
Well, we sold one of the 7 at Kissimmee, Florida earlier this year in Orbit Orange. So now we've got another one, this one in Palladium Silver. We see the automatic transmission, the Ram Air 4s at 370 horsepower, high performance Pontiac V8, 390 gears. It's restored all the correct Judge graphics. And this was a muscle car and Corvette Nationals MCACN Concours Gold winner back in 2015. Firestone white ovals give it the period look. Correct rally 2 wheels with no trim rings. Part of that Judge package.
$380 is the bid.
At 400,000, anybody get 400? C4, anybody get 4?
Hood tachometer was optional. This one has it.
And again, John mentioned it briefly. You may not have caught it. Only 7 of these with automatic transmission built in 1970.
Yeah, convertible Ram Air 4s, and we don't know how many total are remaining. There's no way to know that.
Right. Well, at least 2.
But, well, and we're going to go down in history as selling 2 of the 7 that were built in the same year. $405,000 for that Palladium Silver 70 Pontiac GTO Judge Ram Air 4 convertible.